Alright, YouTube, so I'm here with another dang problem. Basically, my shifter keeps saying shift to park, even though I get it to park. Basically, I think the little mechanism down here is not kicking out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the console off and then start trying to diagnose what to do. So I already took this plate off, disconnected my fan switch that was plugged right here. I left the fuel thing hooked up. I already disconnected the one bolt that was here, and then there was two screws on the back side. So that's all that's probably needed to start popping it off. So let's see. Well, first you gotta try to put it like in neutral to get enough room to lift it off. I might have to take off the console lid door, but I'm hoping not to. But let's see if we can pop this off. Well, it's better if I do it with both hands, so let me take this down real quick. Okay, so I had to take this stupid door off, which makes me upset. And there was another bolt on the back side over here that I had to remove. So it should come out relatively easy now. Okay, sorry about the lighting and sorry about the dinging, but currently got the console out of the way. And now I'm just going to pull up on this little on here, which is the little leather for the shifter, and see what mechanisms we are working with. Okay, as you can see, there's no more dinging, and what I found out here, I know my lighting's bad. Let me see if I can work out something here. Second, got a light here. So you see this little bar right there that the light's directly showing there? All I did was lift up on that a little bit and all the dinging stopped. So basically what it is, it seems like that's not engaging or not lifting up enough. So I'm going to try to figure out if there's the way to jury rig it to always make it come up or get rid of completely. So let me work some options here real quick. Okay, so the problem is this little solenoid, you can hear it click. That's what it is. It needs to be pulled up all the way for it to say it has contact and it's in park. So I really don't want to like jury rig some silly ass zip ties or string or anything like that just to make a click. It just feels like it's loose and it should be, tightened down. But it's a plastic component, so I don't want to pull up on it too hard. I don't know. Let me go look at the form and see what they come up with real quick, and then I'll go from there. Okay, so I came up with a method that I really hate because I hate jury rigging stuff on this car, even though I try to make it look professional. I got the fan controller jury rig, I got the fuel sensor jury rigged, and now I got something with the shifter jury rig. It just seems like I got all these electrical gremlins, as a car gets older. I mean, there's 146,000 miles on it. So what I basically put here is until I figure out and read up how to do the solution. I mean, I just got off work, so I don't feel like spending all night with this. This is a metal zip tie, and basically what it does when it acts stupid, I just pull up on this and it makes it act right. So let me demonstrate real quick. Oh, not a shifter. Let's see. Okay. So as soon as I finish here, I'm gonna change out the shifter to one that's actually in one piece, because this is so annoying too. Oh man. Alright, so you can see as it shifts all the way down fine, shifts through all the gears. So you put it in park, right? Turn off the car. And as you can see, it's flashing, shift to park. See, flashing, shift to park. So when I come over here, I just grab my little zip tie right here and pull up. Just like that. And you can see shift to park went off. Red light stopped blinking. All the dinging's gone. So that's essentially what I got going on here. It's, oh my god, I hate this. I got to figure out what some people did on the forums. I wonder if I got to take the whole mechanism off here, and it's something I can tighten down, or this is like a new lever. So I'll do some research on that. I mean, it's really easy taking off the console. So that'd be my next. I mean, that'd be one of my projects to get to. But right now, I'm gonna see if I could get this shifter boot off and put on a different one. It shouldn't be that hard, but just like everything like this, it shouldn't be, but we'll see. So I'm gonna Google up something and see if it can come off really easy. If not, then I'm not gonna spend too much time on it. All right, let's see what's going on. So here I am, and I looked at someone's quick video, and so it seems like this right here, you just turn it to the right, and I think you pull up. No, you turn it, and it made a pop sound like it completely disconnected. Let's see. Alright, maybe I need to look at this video real quick, but basically I undid this collar. As you can see, oh, there you go. As you can see, it twists, and I think that's what unlocks it. And then I'll be able to pull up on a knob and replace it. Let me mess around with it with two hands. Okay, so I pulled extremely hard with two hands, and that shit just popped off up with no issues, as you can see right here. So I'm just gonna take down this boot, and I'm gonna go get this other boot that I have from Jesse that's perfectly brand new, and hopefully I can put on there with no issues. So let's see what's going on. New ship knob. I mean, it isn't as pretty as I thought it was, but it is in functioning order, and it's one full piece, nothing falling apart. So let's go ahead and slip this the same way you took it off. I mean, it should fit right over this with no issues. Let me switch hands here. Should fit over this with no issues. Let's see. I'll work with it. I'll figure it out. Because if it doesn't work, I got to put the old one back on. So yeah. We have it nicely installed with no issues. Works just as supposed to, not falling apart. So that was pretty simple and easy. Just slide it back over and twist the knob. Okay. Yeah, so look at that. So apparently when I pulled up on to remove the lever, I ripped the boot. And so now I got a jacked up boot. So, you know, it's always freaking something. And I got this little metal zip tie over here to pull up on the lever, man. I mean, I guess it's what you get when you buy a car that's high in mileage and you just drive the crap out of it. Little stuff like this breaks and happens. It's functioning. I think probably getting a new shift boot is more important than fixing the lever just because of how tacky it looks. I don't even know if any people say tacky anymore. But yeah, this is definitely a need to be fixed because, you know, you got to park the car, and I got to pull up on this. Oh, don't forget my fuel switch. Got all these different retarded things that I just need to get fixed. A whole bunch of little things. Be nice if I just had the money and just drop it off the shop and say, hey, this is what's wrong with it. Just go fix it. But I'm not on that level yet. Without me rambling on, as you can see, I got another shifter installed. I jerry-rigged the shifter so that it would stop saying shift to park in a little cluster there. If you haven't been to the channel before, please like, please subscribe, and thank you for watching this another little hack for the Corvette. See you later.